Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Birla Evara, which is located in Sarjapur Road in Bangalore, a project developed by Birla Estate. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the details and information, and about the land parcel is here itself, where the marketing office is built on, and just behind the marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where you are connected directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with developer, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 28.5 acres of land parcel with 13 towers in all, with 2 basement ground plus 25 and 27 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part. So this project is located in Gattahalli Muneshwara layout in Sarjapur, Bangalore. And now let me tell you that this is the internal road of the project, and this road will connect you towards Gopal Krishna Adiga Road. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Sarjapur Road in just 3.5 kilometers. Wipro Koretti is 3.6 kilometers away, and RGA Tech Park is 4 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like of garden area, the clubhouse, kids play area, skywalk, football ground. Here is again the jogging track, swimming pool and many more. Now about super built up area. As mentioned, this project provides you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK of 656 square feet, 2 BHK of 1260 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1650 square feet to 1860 square feet super built up area, 3.5 BHK is 2163 square feet, 4.5 BHK is 2520 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Birla Evara, which is located in Sarjapur Road, Bangalore, a project by Birla Estate.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.